Hello and welcome to Affordable Trailers. We're here today to talk about Top Hat's all-steel car hauler. This thing is built to haul anything that's under 7,500 pounds. It's got heavy-duty jack up front. It's got the breakaway battery for the brakes. It already comes with the spare tire mount standard, and it has these recessed D-rings that tuck out of the way when you're not using them. Another cool feature about this is it's got this step here that's built into the frame, so it makes it easy to get up and off the trailer. This one has it's rated at 10,000 pounds, so it has two 5,200 pound axles, spring axles, made by Dexter, brakes on both axles, easy to service. You just pop the little rubber there on the hub and you can grease them. Now another feature about this one is it's got a dovetail, which lessens the angle. It makes it easier to load a vehicle. And your ramp, you don't have to tote the ramps around. The ramps are stored in the back, and they slide right out and you're ready to go. So come see us at Affordable Trailers and we'll help you find the right trailer for you.